Hey everybody, Rich from CCxRC bringing you a video about my updated filming rig. Now I'm currently using a GoPro Hero 8 Black, but this setup will work with virtually any action camera and phone setup. You would just have to use a slightly different cage. So, what you saw before was footage of how I'm actually using the setup to film the rig, and what you're seeing now is what that footage actually looks like coming out of the GoPro. At the end of the video, you'll see some of the footage that has come out of my Samsung S10 phone. Now, the main components to my setup are a Smatry telescoping selfie stick, the Ulanzi G8 vlogging cage, and the Ulanzi rotating cell phone camera mount. The Ulanzi Cage is for a vlogging setup, so it has the space to mount your audio adapter for your GoPro, and it also has two cold shoe mounts as well as a thread for a 52mm lens attachment. The Ulanzi rotating cell phone mount also has a cold shoe mount on the outside of it so that you can attach something to the edge of that, which later on I'll be showing how I attach my external microphone. The telescoping feature of the selfie stick really allows you to get the camera down low to the ground, which is how you really get those cool scale videos. I attached the selfie stick to my transmitter using a camera desk clamp. This is available online at Amazon. I will have a link for that and all the other parts in the description below. One of the features that I really like about the Smatry telescoping selfie stick is the thumb lock. Because of the weight of the camera, the cage, and the phone, this rig can be a little bit on the heavy side, and a twisting telescoping stick can actually loosen up, and in the middle of filming, your camera drops down. So that's why I've gone with this particular selfie stick and this setup. As I mentioned earlier about the vlogging cage from Ulanzi and how you can attach the external microphone attachment, this is how I'm setting up when I'm generally doing a vlogging or some other type of filming when I actually need to use the external microphone for the GoPro. Sometimes when I'm filming my RCs, I do choose to use an external microphone, but it really depends on the environment that I'm in. And a lot of times it has to do with whether I want some of the ambient sound to be heard while I'm filming. For instance, if I'm filming near a creek or at the beach, where I want you to be able to hear the ambient sound in the background. Here you can see the entire rig in its basic form being used to film my new Land Rover cruising around in my mini rock garden. One of the advantages to this setup is that the camera is so mobile, and that you're able to change camera angles quickly and easily. When you align the camera with where your transmitter is pointing, all you have to do is simply point the transmitter where you want to film, and you're pretty much guaranteed that you're getting the truck in the shot. The other advantage to this is that you can detach the entire selfie stick, put it on a tripod, and get static shots from it. Now, these last few clips that you'll see here is the footage that came from what you just saw me filming, both from my GoPro and from my cell phone. The thing that I love most about this setup is the fact that my camera is mobile and I can adjust my shots. I can follow the rig around as it's in motion, changing my angle and perspective without changing from a fixed camera position to a fixed camera position. It allows you to really get that kind of cinematic look to your videos as you're getting to follow the vehicle around as a normal cameraman would. These last 2 clips were shot from my cell phone. Not a fancy new phone, it's actually an old Samsung Galaxy S10. And this shows that you don't need any kind of fancy camera equipment in order to get fantastic footage. Now this is shot in portrait mode because I'm going to be using some of this footage to make a YouTube short and some Instagram reels. But with that Ulanzi rotating camera mount, you can actually rotate your camera from side to side, so you can shoot in both perspectives. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. I really want everyone to enjoy their RCs to the fullest and to be able to have fun sharing your RC videos. Thank you all very much for watching. We'll see you real soon.